everything comes as hardware, right? If you have any other additional resource. So in between that we have virtual machine manager. So whenever you ask something, right, log in and ask, give me this much, the virtual manager will manage this resources, right? So with the help of that, they are able to achieve, right? Currently, what you have in the system, you have a OS, right? After hardware, you have OS. After OS, you have application, you are using it. OS is managing hardware, right? If a user 1 logs in, OS manages. User 2 logs in, OS manages. Same way, in the cloud, you are giving OS also as a one entity, right? So sometimes it is difficult. So they have an additional layer called. So there are two types of hypervisor. We call this as a hypervisor, right? So one is called, this is a hardware, and you have a OS. Then I have virtual machine manager. Then I will give an access to it. You understood? You are able to understand? I bought very big machine with the large resources. I put one OS on that. On top of that, I am putting virtual machine manager. Any user want to use anything, he will ask a virtual machine manager. So virtual machine manager enter tell OS give me this. So one layer security is there, right? I open. Who is controlling the access to the resources? Your virtual machine manager. So another, this is called a hypervisor one. Another one is called a bare metal hypervisor. What is the disadvantage here? This I got the advantage is controlling the resources. Security I got, then managing that. If it is 8 GB, it will allow only 8 GB. If it is 2 GB, it is allowing only 2 GB access. Or if it is specific package to be installed, it will take care. But what is the disadvantage? Yes, what she is saying is correct. Every time, whatever you are asking, whatever you are doing, it is going to virtual machine manager, right? It is not going to hardware, it is going to OS. Suppose you are using Ubuntu here, right? You are using Ubuntu, you need a Ubuntu machine to run, and it will go to virtual machine manager. Then if suppose if it is Windows here, he can have any OS, right, on that system. So he has a Windows here. Then you have a hardware.